Are you married?
Oo.
You are married. So you guys married, kasal kayo.
Hindi.
Oh, okay, live-in partner. Okay, guys, maybe you guys confused. Here at Philippines, if you living with the guy, it means you are husband and wife. It's not live-in partner, okay? They call it they think they are married. They didn't say it live-in partner. So a live-in partner, they're not really married. Just has a boyfriend girlfriend staying together. How long you guys been living together na? 23 years? 23 years na kayo magkakasama na?
20 20 years na yan. 23.
23 kasi your first baby is 23-year-old, right? Are you working?
Labandera lang.
It's okay na. Don't lang, wag mo ilalang yung labandera lang. At least may trabaho.
Oh,
She said she just washing clothes of her neighbor. Is it regular or part-time lang po?
part-time.
Part-time. Like once in a week?
Mm.
How much you get paid?
Binibigay na ano lang, 350.
350?
Mm.
The whole day?
Oo. Nung iba kasi, taga dun lang sa ano,
Your neighbor.
oo.
That's why they only pay you 350. But it's
Oo.
whole day. Do they give you food?
Oo,
Food.
libre.
It's free food. Okay. But it's a lot though. How many baskets of laundry?